Hello, in this video we're going to check out some different ways to open a padlock if it's been frozen. Right now it's about 24 degrees Fahrenheit out, and have some nice cold weather for at least a 24 to 36 hour period of time. We're just going to soak each padlock in water here, get all the air out of it, put it into a bin. These are together simply because they're keyed alike. You want to keep things kind of organized here. If you watched my last video, we explored some different ways to prevent locks from freezing, and we still have those locks here. I'm going to go ahead and soak each one of those in water just like we did the brand new locks, and we'll see if some of them freeze up as they did before, and see if we're still good with the other prevention methods. The never wet treated lock from the last session still has a key stuck in it. Don't know. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a padlock open that's been frozen. These four locks were dipped in water about 48 hours ago, left outside in freezing temperatures, and as you can see, this keyway is definitely frozen shut. First thing we're going to try are HotSnapZ. It's a chemical activated heat pack. Let's activate these. And then what we're going to do is tape these activated heat packs onto the lock. Let's see if they warm it up enough to thaw it out. Let that sit and see what happens. Ooh, nice. The next thing we're going to try is this Pyrol DE-ICER. Melts ice fast. So we'll grab another one of these locks, frozen. Keyway's frozen, got a little bit of room there. Put this in here. The ice. Yeah, that opened up the keyway somewhat. Key's turning, opened right up. So the Pyrol DE-ICER was definitely a go. Worked very well. The next thing we're going to try is a DE-ICER by Motor Medic. DE-ICER for auto and trucks. Melts ice instantly on locks, windshield wipers, and windows. Take a look at our keyway. Keyway is definitely iced up. Oh, this comes out with a vigorous stream. Lots of flow here. Keyway is open and lock is successfully open. We've got another win from Motor Medic. DE-ICER for auto and trucks. Sorry, Lowell, just stepped on my dog's tail. There you go. Next test will be, ooh, this one's definitely iced up. Keyway, ice on it here. We have a product by Zepp, Quick Melt Windshield and Lock DE-ICER. Zepp, not quite as efficient as the other products. Yeah, looks like the Zep, it's not going to work for us. The Zep did not successfully open the lock. Let's try another. Ice cutter. Melts frost and ice on contact. No drip formula. Stays where you spray. Let's see what this does. Well, it's dripping. Lock still frozen. Ice cutter. Let's go back and see how our lock is doing with the heat pack. Oh, look at that. Couple heat packs taped to the side of the lock and we are in. Wonderful. That worked great. Okay, the next thing we're going to try, a little old-fashioned fire. See how well this works. We're just going to heat this guy up. Let's see what we got here. This is the one that had silicone. It was still frozen. Well, we're definitely open. The torch works for sure. So that's our look at how to get some locks opened up once they've been frozen. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. We'll have more to come. Thanks and have a great day.